Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter on PS5. We will begin by covering the essential controls and movement options available to you. Then, we'll dive into performing powerful special moves and linking them into devastating combos. Finally, we'll explore crucial defensive strategies, including blocking and parrying, to elevate your gameplay. Get ready to master the fight stick and dominate your opponents with precision and skill. Let's start with the basics. Your character moves using the left analog stick or the D-pad. You have 6 primary attack buttons: light, medium, and heavy punches, and light, medium, and heavy kicks. These are typically mapped to the face buttons on your PlayStation 5 controller. To perform a throw, simply press any 2 punch or 2 kick buttons together when close to your opponent. Practice these fundamental actions to build a strong foundation. Now for the exciting part: special moves. Iconic moves like the Hadouken require a quarter-circle forward motion with a punch button. For a Shoryuken, input a Z motion, or forward, down, down, forward, plus punch. The real magic happens when you link these special moves with your basic attacks to create impressive combos. Spend time in training mode to perfect the timing and execution of these sequences, turning simple hits into devastating strings. Defense is just as crucial as offense. To block high attacks, simply hold back on your D-pad or analog stick. For low attacks, hold down back. A powerful defensive tool is the drive parry, which absorbs incoming attacks and can even replenish your drive gauge. Mastering the timing of your parries allows for immediate counterattacks, turning your opponent's offense into your advantage. Practice these techniques to become a truly well-rounded fighter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.